Oh yeah. We'll let the jug go if he... Oh yeah, he's a little bigger. There's the glare. Look, I'm having to chase him. Look at that. Oh yeah, he's good size. And my better half. Caught my first tagged fish. I had to cook that for one like a sassy shad. Good morning everyone, welcome to Max Extreme River Fishing Outdoors. This morning, it's Labor Day, it's bright and early, it's daylight, we're on Jordan Lake. I'm going to be using jugs to go after catfish with some cut bait and my special hot dog sauce. I'll put a link to that, marinated hot dogs. Like I said, I'll put a link to that up here somewhere at the end. Let's get busy. First light, can't beat this. We got a dove field near us, so we might hear some dove shooting. But anyway, let's get busy. Let's see if we can catch some catfish. All right guys, I forgot to mention, I'm in my Radinsson canoe. I just got this spring. It's a 12-foot wide canoe. Used mainly a lot up north. Do find a few down south. This is gonna be like my deer hunting canoe, solo canoe, because it's a lot wider than my other 12-foot Old Town canoes. It's aluminum, weighs like 35 pounds. So I had to tote this from the road to the lake about probably 75 yards, which wasn't bad at all. One of my Old Towns, I love my Old Town 119s. That's the best river canoe for fishing, solo canoe for fishing. Put a link to that right there. This is a lot lighter canoe, but it's more limited in its versatility. But anyway, got my Pelican little box, keep my phone. Frozen. Okay, got that right there. Okay guys, I got some frozen bait. I'm gonna spray it with this Jack's Juice garlic spray. I'm gonna keep it in a bucket so it kind of marinates. Put that on there. All right guys, here's the first one I'm gonna throw out. Got a weight in these, a bolt. You want the bolt on this end. Now this weight right here, that comes off a cast net, recycled from a cast net. Now these bottom ones I'm gonna put out. I might already have a fish on. I do, already got a fish on. How about that? this one out. Yeah, I already got a fish on. How about I ain't been doing this, guys, 5 minutes. Right there's the wiener. Now these are relatively shallow. You know, if I was on Carr Lake, I'd have these things 10, 15, 20 foot deep. But here on Jordan Lake, the cats stay usually 15 feet or less. So these are really shallow. All right, guys, we're gonna get this one. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jugs out so far. Not bad. Guys, that's a good size eating catfish. It's about a pound right there. That's a white catfish. Looks like a channel cat, but see the white whiskers? I'm gonna get that back in the water. But that's a good eating catfish, but see how they got big heads too? A lot of times they're mistaken for male channel cats. I'm probably not gonna keep any today unless I catch a nice blue or something. Put him back. Well, that didn't take long. All right, guys, let's see how many I got out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 of the PVC ones and 6 of the plastic bottom ones out. Might put a few more out. I've moved these, a lot of them closer in the shore. Oh, he's pulling it pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now that's a nice channel cat right there for eating, guys. Look at that right there. Nice one right there, guys. That's a good eater right there. We're just having fun today though. All right, let's get him back. That's a good eater. Guys, I'm sitting here cutting bait. I'm gonna spray it with garlic juice. And I've got one that's standing up down there now. So I got to go get that one. This part of the brim or crappie for cut bait's the head. Guys, this is probably gonna be the best one. He's got this jug standing straight up, and he actually took the jug under. Which the 2 I caught before were good eater size, but this is probably gonna be bigger. Could be deceiving though, but we'll see. Oh yeah. We'll let the jug go if he... Oh yeah, he's a little bigger. That's nice. Guys, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice channel cat right there, guys. All right, let's get him back. He's good. Hey guys, I've caught like 4 or 5 already, a couple small ones that I may not have shown you, but the best time to jug fish, obviously in the evening and into the dark. This is Labor Day, gonna be 95, 93 degrees today, so your catfish bite is early, right at daylight. It's right when I got here, and it's a short window, so not the best time to jug fish. But I just wanted to come out here and do it. Hadn't done it in a while. Let's see if we can get a couple more. But your best time's obviously in the evening. Get your jugs out, and then have a good spotlight. I've got reflectors on these, so I can see these things from hundreds and hundreds of yards away. So anyway, let's get busy. Let's see if we can catch another one. Hey guys, I got another one on down here. It's about quitting time. Let me show you the jugs. These are 3/4 inch, 18 inches long PVC pipe with caps. I have a bolt in there. This is 12 inches of noodle. I have reflected tape. Some's red, some's that silver. I can see these things from a half a mile away at night with a spotlight. Anyway, let's go check this jug out. I've got one on down there. Guys, my GoPro 10, it's quit working, probably because of the heat. That's why I like these GoPro 5s, probably a little better. These give better stabilization and pictures. But anyway, I've got a good one on under here. He's done took the jug down several times. Let's get chase it. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare. Look, I'm having to chase him. Look at that. Oh yeah, he's good size. That's a nice one right there. Woo! Now, I was just saying a minute ago, I don't know if I'll put that clip in, but this isn't the best time to really do it. It's Labor Day. It's supposed to be 95 degrees today. I got out here at daylight. Your catfish bite, when it's really, really hot on these days, your catfish bite is first daylight, and it's a short period. The best time to catfish in the heat is in the evening and into the dark. You know, sometimes even 12, 2 o'clock at night. So I'm only gonna be out here, you know, a couple hours at the most. It's gonna heat up. It's heating up right now, and I've only been out here a little over an hour and a half maybe. But that's a nice channel cat right here. Look at that guy. Let's get a picture of him. All right, let's get him back in the water. Nice channel cat. All right, guys, let's see. Hopefully this one don't come off. I've only had one get off today, though. Let's pull them in. That's a little one. I tell you guys, the proper way to grab a channel cat, everybody gets scared about grabbing them. Come up from the bottom and come up under these fins. Just like that right there. So you got these fins. My index finger is over the fin, but my thumb is holding them out. I don't know if I'd explain that properly. There's a little channel. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Really good morning, and my Radinsson canoe performed flawlessly. Putting out the jugs, getting the jugs. I'm telling you, I may have said it in a clip earlier, but catfishing in the heat of the summer. It's gonna be 95 degrees today. It was hot yesterday. You're better off fishing late in the evening into the dark. In the morning, there's a really hot bite right at daylight, but it dies quick. But anyway, this is when I wanted to get out here. I was watching football yesterday. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I caught some nice channel cats today. Caught one really nice white catfish. They have a big head. Got the white chin barbells under their chin. But anyway, guys, do me a favor. Check out my catfish playlist right there. Hit the subscribe button right there. Spread the word, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.